Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video we are going to be discussing about Hifami tutorial. Yes, how you can be able to use this platform as a beginner. Mind you, I am not here to promote this platform, rather I am here for just informational purpose. That is the purpose of this video right now. Yes, now if you don't know, you can actually play game on this platform now, on this Hifami platform, and then make real cash. Yes, that will be sent into your account. So this video now, I'm going to tell you how you can be able to play this game. It's a tutorial video, how you can be able to play this game, what you should play, and how you can be able to withdraw on this platform. So now let's proceed, let's dive in. First of all, you have to click the big house that you see at the middle. That is how you can be able to start this game. Click the big house at the middle. So in there, you're going to see a lot of things. You're going to see a farm, you're going to see a boss house, and then you're going to see friends that you can be able to add. To make quick money, you just have to click on your farm, the ones that have been harvested. So you just click on it to harvest it so that you can gain. Aside the farm, there are some other things you can do to gain more money quickly. You can click on that big red button. Hold on it so that it will turn to green. So once it turns green, you will begin to start walking around the environment. As you're walking, you're gaining more coins, and then from there it will be converted to money. So what you just have to do is you just keep walking to be gaining more money, and so on and so forth. So after some time, maybe once you've gained a lot of money, and maybe the money is no more coming in like that, then you can just tap on that green button again, then you'll be stop working. So after that, you can just head over into some other things. Remember to always look up to check your money if you have already reached the threshold so that you can withdraw. Withdrawing is simple. At the first time that you enter this game, if you have gained up to 150 naira or at your own currency, you're going to see it there. Then they will ask you to withdraw. But that first withdrawal is one time. After withdrawing that one time, you'll not be able to withdraw that one again. So the next withdrawal you can withdraw is once you hit 15,000 naira. If you don't have naira on your own currency, they will tell you the currency that you will be able to use. So for me, my currency is naira. So after withdrawing that first 150 naira, you will not be able to withdraw 150 naira again. What you'll be withdrawing now is once you get to 15,000. So it is very simple. The payments are on PalmPay and OPay. So once you have those accounts, you can just place in your account number. Then your money will be sent. It is quite simple. Just hit 15,000 naira. Withdraw your money with ease. If you do not reside in Nigeria, there are other currency that it will be on your own currency, depending on the country you choose. So that is how you can be able to use on this app and then withdraw. It is very simple. Now if you check back, like the withdrawal section, once you check the withdrawal section at the top, you will see that this platform is paying everybody, and any big amounts that you withdraw will be shown at the top of the platform there. You show that at the top of, and it's always 15,000 naira. So if you withdraw 50,000 naira, they will show the notification at the top so that people will see that it is legit. So that is how you can be able to use this platform. Now this comes to the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to